Hi everybody, Lori Marie here, mixed media artist in Vallejo, California. Actually, I'm doing this video yesterday because I have a very busy day today. So we're going to make a fun little charm. I had fun making it, so it's a good challenge for 21. See you on the table. So that's our challenge for today. Challenge number 21. All right, once again, I have an idea. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to give it a whirl. I have a Scrabble piece. I have two small eye hooks. Two, I think these are carpenter nails, carpet nails maybe. They're kind of small nails. A jump ring. This is it's a metal stamp. It's an X. We'll see if we use that. I have a couple of gears. Thank you, Bobby Joe, for those. Some black acrylic paint. Still turn things the wrong way. Some silver heat tape, duct tape, whatever you want to call that. If you go into your hardware store and tell them you're looking for some heat vent tape, foil tape, they will give that to you, or they will show you where that is. So what I'm going to start doing is just covering my Scrabble piece with bits and pieces of the foil heat tape this way and that. You know, I get these ideas and then it's like, wonder if that's going to work. So we shall see. We shall see. I have that clock. Can you still hear it? I have that clock in Hudson's bed under the blankets. Trying to keep it a little bit more quiet. But I love it in here because it does tell me the time. And I love the way that the little girl is on the face. It's just hilarious how loud it is. All right, I'm going to go over some of those corners. And work that down. Make these pieces of foil as small as you want because the more texture, the better. One more corner area, and then we're done with that. Noisy tummy always gives me away. All right. Let's see if I can find a tongue depressor and just kind of work that down. Scratch it up a little bit. Give it some texture. Okay. Oh, very fun already, huh? Okay, I'm going to grab my hammer. All right, I have my hammer and my X, and I'm just going to go around. You don't need to listen to that. Okay, so basically what I did was add some more texture to the Scrabble piece with that X. I'm going to add a little bit of black paint on there, all over, with my fingers, because I'm that kind of girl. Alright, after that's worked in nice, growling tummy, grab an ever-loved used paper towel and rub that back off. Looking pretty cool already, huh? Alright, now my drill. I have a teeny tiny drill bit in there. And I'm going to just start a hole there. This one's going to have to be off center or my nails will hit each other. All right. One on that end. And one on that end. All right, let's see how we did. Take this gear will be the one that's off center. Hammer. Is that going to be too long? That is. Okay. Go with a shorter nail. Look at that. All right, I need to find a short nail. Okay, got a short nail. Now these nails are even a little bit long, but the gear on the other side is hiding the pokey outy part. How about that? Pretty cool, huh? Just a little charm. And then where I had started those holes. All right, those itty bitty ones did not work. Couldn't get them to grab in the wood, so I went to a bigger size cup hook, which is really kind of fun because they're more industrial looking. Okay, so I've got the two eye hooks or cup hooks. No, they're eye hooks. They are not cup hooks. They are definitely eye hooks. And I'm going to put a little jump ring on there. And a little key. And a little lock. I'll pinch this back together with my needle nose pliers. Let me get some kind of a... Well, the idea worked. Some adjusting had to be done as we created it, but not bad. Look at that fun charm for our book, or for anything, really. You could make a necklace out of something like that. So, that's our challenge for today. Challenge number 21. So now it's your turn. Go create, go play, go have fun.